Well, friends, hello. We are back. Look at my desk. Look at everything that's on my desk. I got the ESV study Bible. I have the skull, which theologians have usually kept nearby to remind them of the reality of death. I have letters of Samuel Rutherford. What an incredible classic Puritan work. I have a book on the regulator principle from Sam Waldron. How then should we worship? Oh, I also have a box from Missionary. Now, you've probably seen unboxings before. This is something that's pretty common on social media with influencers. I'm not that, but let me tell you, when I got this box from Missionary, I was very excited to share it with you because I genuinely believe in Missionary. I love what they're doing. I love Radius. I believe in Brooks and Nina Booser and all that they're doing for the Great Commission. So when they said, can we send you a box and can you share about it with people? I said, oh yeah. They're not paying me anything. They're not giving me anything. I'm not trading anything with them for this. This is me just saying, I love what you do. I believe in it and I want to tell other people about it. Look at this. I'm such an idiot. You can tell this is authentic. I got the tape stuck to my sweater. Okay, now, how do I open this box? All right, let's see what we got here. A card, some stickers, a hat. Maybe I'm gonna become a hat guy, Luke. What do you think? Do you think I could become a hat guy?
Try it on. We'll see.
Let's see. I have a very large head, and I don't know that they make hats big enough for my big head. But here we go. Oh yeah.
I think you could be a hat guy.
Maybe I'm gonna wear this in my next interview. We don't know yet. I also have here, look at that, a sweater just in time for the Arctic freeze. What does it say here? To send is to survive. If you want to know what that means, you should go to missionary.com and find out for yourself. They also gave me a black t-shirt. They know that I love black, apparently. Black and white, black, black. I love this minimalist style. Let me tell you that this t-shirt is made of very good fabric. I'm not just saying that. Nobody told me to say that. I hate getting t-shirts that are made out of terrible fabric. This is good fabric. This is a t-shirt that's gonna last. Oh, look at that. Clean with just a little logo on the front. They also sent me a tote. I guess if I'm gonna start shopping at Whole Foods or something like that, I don't know. But if you like totes, look at, they have one of those. And then, what do we have here? We have a poster. The church only survives when it sins. That is true. And then a bunch of other stuff. This is a very sweet gift. I'm going to hang this up on my wall. I'm going to wear the sweater. I'm going to wear the shirt. I'm going to wear the hat. But most importantly, I'm going to continue to support and pray for missionary.com and Radius. I'm going to send aspiring missionaries to go train at their schools, to buy their resources, and to learn from them. And I would encourage you to do the same thing. Missionary.com. Go and check it out today.